just sitting up there as big as he pleases, minding his own business, eating his nuts. What a little cutie. Oh, he's gonna put on a show now. Look at that tail. Dropping walnut dust. Oh my gosh, he's so cute. Oh, bye. Oh, he moved over here. Oh, too cute.